Hi friends, welcome to my channel Codico. Today I'll show you how to type without using keyboards. So suppose your keyboard is not working for any kind of reason, but you need to deliver an important message to your client or you need to send an important email. So, but since your keyboard is not working, you are in a big trouble now. So I'll don't worry, I'll get you out of the trouble. So what you need a virtual keyboard over here, which we can type in with using keyboards. So I'll show you how to get the on-screen keyboard, where you can type in your message and then you'll be happy sending it out to your client or you can type in the emails. So you need to run the on-screen keyboard. So we'll go to our folder section. Once you go to the folder section, then you need to go to your My PC. Now you need to go to where your Windows is installed. My Windows is installed in my local C drive only, so I'll go to C drive. Then you need to go to Windows. Okay. Once you go to the Windows, you need to go find out search for system 32. So as you can see here, it is system 32. Now I'm inside system 32. Now you need to run a file named OSK. And now since you can see everything is in alphabetical order, I'll just skip through and I'll go to OSK file. Search it. Anyways, till I find the file. Um, the fastest way, I'll tell you the fastest way to search for the file is to type in OSK, but since I don't have my keyboard working with me, what I'll do, I'll just skip through and just search out the OSK. Okay. So now here I've got my OSK file. Okay. So what you need to do, you just need to right click and open, or you can just double click on it. So once you open that file, you have your on-screen keyboard. So now even if your actual keyboard is not working, you can still type in your message. So here I'll show you what I'll do. I'll just create a notepad and then I'll type in one message. And this keyboard works exactly as your keyboard. What I mean is your actual keyboard. If you press your caps lock button, it will all show in caps. Okay. If you press shift and then other one, then you can work out. Okay. So please subscribe to my channel. That's what I'm going to write. Channel. So, okay. So now I will just save this file. Okay. And now it's done. So I'll right click and then open this file. Okay. I have the message with you. So now your problem is solved, guys. You can comment down below in case you find any difficulty in running your on-screen keyboard with your mouse. Uh, with this, I'll end this video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, Codico, for more of such informational videos. Thank you, guys.